statement. See what it states? It states that the total measure of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we need to justify this. For that, let us use the exterior angle property for the given triangle. So if I take a triangle ABC, so here angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 are the angles of this triangle ABC. Whereas the angle 4 is an exterior angle when BC is extended to D. Now some justification we can give. What is that? We already know from the exterior angle property, the sum of two interior angle or opposite interior angle will be equals to exterior angle. So from that I can give a value like this, where angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to angle 4. Now for this equation, we're going to add angle 3 on both the side, both RHS and LHS. Okay. Now on adding angle 3 on both the sides, what we're going to get? We're going to get like this. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to angle 4 plus angle 3. Whereas this angle 4 plus angle 3, if you observe, it's nothing but a linear pair. So linear pair means it will be equals to 180 degree, right? Yes. So just replace that angle 4 plus angle 3 with 180 degree. Therefore, I'm going to get something like angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 180 degree. That's what the statement wanted. We proved it. So let's solve one problem then. So from this given figure, we need to find the measurement of angle P. So using a angle sum property of a triangle. So we all know the angle of all the three sides will be equals to 180 degree. So in this, we need to find the measurement of angle P. So I can take that measurement of angle P plus 47 degree plus 52 degree is equals to 180 degree. So therefore, measurement of angle P is equals to 180 degree minus 47 minus 52. So that is equals to 180 minus 99. So that will be equals to 81 degree. Yeah. So likewise, we can solve the problem. Now, look at this diagram. So here, two values we need to find, right? So let's find it. Okay. So two x's are missing. So two angles are not given. Only one angle is given. So using the same angle sum property, I can just take both the x as equal since it's an isosceles triangle. So I can take that 50 degree plus x is equals to 180 degree, where 2x is equals to 180 minus 50. So x is equals to 130 by 2, which is 65 degree. Now let's solve one more problem where we need to find the unknown value x and y in the given diagram. So look at this diagram. So from this, what can I do? From using an exterior angle property, I can write it as like 120 is equals to 50 plus x. So x will be equals to 120 minus 50, which is 70 degree. So I got a x value. Then using the angle sum property, so I can write it as 50 plus x plus y is equals to 180 degree. Where y is equals to 180 minus 50 minus 70. So that is equals to 60 degree. Therefore, x is 70, y is 60. So likewise, we can solve the problem and we can find the x value and y value.